Good morning, everyone. This is Agustin Talukdar. My ID is 349, and my topic is business statistics. In this presentation, I will explain its meaning, importance, applications, and also the difference between primary and secondary data. Let's begin. I would like to invite my another team member, Mariam.
My name is Mariam Amir Mehendigar. My student ID is 395. First, I will explain the meaning of business statistics. Then we will cover why it is important, why it is used in business, and finally we will discuss primary and secondary data with a comparison. In this presentation, we will discuss importance of business statistics, meaning of business statistics, application of business statistics, primary and secondary data, and last key differences. Now I would like to invite our next team member, Rafiza.
Good morning, myself Rafiza Islam Rumi. My SID is 443. Statistics is the study of data, facts and numbers. In businesses, decisions cannot be made only on guesses. Business need proper data to understand customer sales and profits. That is why business statistics is very useful. Business statistics means applying statistical methods to business data. It includes collecting data, organizing it, presenting it in tables or graphs, analyzing it, and interpreting results. This helps managers make better and accurate decisions. Now I would like to invite our next team member, Payal.
Thank you. Good morning. Myself Nasrin Sultana. My student ID is 389. Today I'm talking about objective of business statistics. The main objective of business statistics is to supporting decision making. It helps in comparing business performance, finding trends, and improving planning. It also helps in reducing uncertainty and making decisions based on facts. Thank you. Now I would like to invite my another team member, Tamanna.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mustad Islam Tamanna. My ID 339. I will explain to importance of business statistics. Business statistics is important because it helps companies predict our future outcomes. It supports forecasting, controlling costs, improving quality and setting business targets. Overall, it improves business efficiency and reduce risks. Thank you. I would like to invite my another next team member.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Umayam Barumi. My student ID 383. I am going to share major applications. Business statistics used to many different. For example, marketing uses it for customer analysis. Finance uses it for budgeting. Production uses it for quality control. HR uses it for employee performance, and it also used and forecasting future growth. Next, I like to talk invite another team member.
This is Agustin again. I would like to explain about marketing. So in this topic, application in marketing, customer satisfaction measurement and marketing research, product analysis, and sales forecasting and trading analysis, advertising efficiencies, evaluation, and demand estimation, and pricing decisions. So in marketing, statistics helps business understanding customer needs. It used in market research, customer satisfaction survey, sales analysis, and advertising performance. For example, companies use survey results to improve product quality and customer services. I would like to invite my another team member, Mehdi.
Thank you. My name is MD Mehdi Hassan. My student ID 329. Today I will explain finance and operations. In finance, statistics helps in preparing budget, analyzing profit and loss, and making investment decisions. In operations, it helps manage inventory and production planning, and quality control. For example, business as fast sales data to decide how much stock to keep. Now I will explain. Now I will invite to our another team member Abrar.
I'm Abrar Samir Chaudhary, ID 364. Let's ask a question first. What is the most important stuff in business statistics? I would like to say it's data. So what is data? Data is basically the raw materials which can be used for various purposes, like it's the informations and which we extend or which we research for our various purposes. So there are two types of data. One is primary data and the other one is secondary data. What is primary data? The primary data is the data which can be collected by myself or by the person who is going to research, and the secondary data is collected from various resources, like already collected from other person, and I collect the data for my purpose, my research purpose. So if I talk about the comparison, so the comparison would be from the collections. So collected by the researcher is basically primary data, and secondary data is collected by others, like websites, any other purpose. So purposes would be specific for primary data and general for secondary data. Also, the most important stuff is cost structure. So primary data costs a lot because in that case I go to the field and talk about with every people. I have travel cost and it's very time conscious, so it costs a lot. Also, if I talk about the secondary data, so I am just collecting the data from the website at my home, so it's very less cost structure data. So accuracy is more on the primary data, and the secondary data is collected by others, so we don't trust them. So that's why all the data collections really fast, and the all stuffs from business statistics are really important, which can be help to grow the business. So thank you everyone. That's all for today.